Where is my pencil? Pam wants to do her homework. Pam opened up her book and took her notebook. Oh, Pam said as she looked in her pencil case. Her pencil was not there. Where is my pencil? Pam asked. I need my pencil to do my homework. She looked in her bag. The pencil was not there. Pam looked around her desk. She did not see her pencil. Pam looked at the floor. Her pencil was not there. Mom, I cannot find my pencil, Pam yelled. Mom walked into the room and pointed to the mirror. She said, Look over there. What? My pencil is not over there, Pam said. When Pam looked in the mirror, she blushed. Her pencil was in her hair.
Book, book. Pencil, pencil. Pencil case, pencil case. Bag, bag. Around, around. Desk, desk. Floor, floor. Point two, point two. Mirror, mirror. Hair, hair. Question number 1. The girl in the picture is A. Sam, B. Pam. Great. Pam. Question number 2. The girl wants her A. Pencil, B. Book. Correct. Pencil. Question number 3. She finds it A. On the table, B. In her hair. Great. In her hair. Pam find the pencil? Pam's mom helped her find the pencil. Where was Pam's pencil? Pam's pencil was in her hair. Where did Pam look for her pencil? She looked in her pencil case. She looked in her bag. She looked around the desk. She looked at the floor.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.